Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set 3D wallpapers on iPhone iOS 26. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to set iOS 26 3D wallpaper on lock screen, all you simply need to do is go ahead and open the photo and then select the photo you want to use as your wallpaper. Now click on the share button at the bottom left. Then swipe up, locate and click on use as wallpaper. Then hang on. Once you have the picture uploaded, locate and click on the 3D wallpaper icon. Then you should see generating spatial scenes. You can pinch to crop like this. Now increase the clock size. Then if you click on these 3 dots, you'll be able to enable depth effect on the wallpaper or extend wallpaper. So now turn on this, then increase the clock style, click on add at the top right, then you see settings. This is going to add both extended wallpaper and 3D wallpaper on your iPhone running on iOS 26. Now go ahead and click on set as wallpaper pair or customize home screen. After that, when your iPhone screen is locked, then you should have it like this. So that is exactly how you can easily use the iOS 26 3D wallpaper on lock screen on your iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.